Yeah, I don't know. I'll see.
Yeah, why are you doing?
Oh, sorry. This is what it is.
All right. You get the left right in your way anyway, right?
Good luck this year. I'll see you at our player tournament.
There you go, Scott. There you go, Scott. Got you two.
Falls, right? Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's tournaments.
Good kids. Yeah, I really like
Yeah. Lay the hammer down.
There you go, Scott. Get around, Scott. Thank you. Heavy chin, Scott, heavy. Take it in. Let's go, Scott. Finish this one. There you go, Scott. There you go. Come on, give it up. The shoulders are down. $12-0. Good job, Scotty.
Christy, how are you?